I'm excited to show you our new color comb. This is a great comb to add to the combs that you keep in the salon because it's excellent for distribution of hair color. There is a textured roller on the interior with little nubs on it that help spread the hair color through the hair. It's very easy to clean. It has a little top piece that comes off, and then the whole roller can come off, so you can rinse that off, making sure that you get all the color off so it's fresh for each use. I'm gonna pop this little thing back in. You can kind of feel it click when it goes back in. I'm gonna put my gloves on. When I'm doing any sort of glazing or single processes from roots to ends, it's very important that you get full saturation. If you miss any spots, you can see that when it dries, it has kind of a splotchy look. So you wanna make sure that all of your color is evenly distributed through. And the textured roller on the inside, when you're doing it, you can feel it pushing that color through and rolling as it goes. This is an excellent addition to any sort of treatment that you like to do to help push that conditioner through and make sure that you're getting full saturation for optimal results.